One of the best practices I use in coaching is appreciative inquiry. It invites us to take a different approach to change, focusing on what's working, building on our strengths, and designing our future. To bring this to life, I'd like to share with you my personal experience working at Google, which helped me pivot my career to pursue my passion. As part of appreciative inquiry, here are the 5 things I'm most grateful for about my time at Google. First, let's start with the people. Thanks to my past team members for trusting me. They challenged and inspired me to be a better manager, coach, and mentor. Together, we were able to accelerate the business as one of the fastest growing regions. Next, our leaders across the world. They lead by example, making a lasting impact on me. They demonstrated care, making me feel valued. Third is our culture. We embrace our 3 respects: respect the user, respect the opportunity, and respect each other. Not only did I show up as my authentic self, I was able to say what I think, even if it may differ from what others think. Google not only brings great minds together, it also creates a safe space for us to take risks, and this fuels innovation. Fourth is search inside yourself. This is a mindfulness-based, emotional intelligence leadership training. I'm grateful to be one of the certified facilitators. This inspired me to pivot my career. And I'm grateful to have the opportunity to launch the Sales Excellence Program in Greater China. Together with our coaching cohort, we were able to help build our confidence, grow our business, and more importantly, delight our customers. I'm very excited that the program is expanding APAC-wide. Maya Angelou is one of my favorite heroes. According to her, people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Maya inspired me to reflect on how I want to live the next half of my life. So at the age of 55, after launching Sales Excellence in Google Asia, I decided to start my own practice. From a Google employee to a partner, I'm honored to be a member of the Google Mastery faculty today, where I facilitate Google way of coaching. With conscious leadership, I'm able to serve the broader community through executive coaching, leadership trainings, and speaking engagements. Let's stay connected. You can follow my journey on YouTube. Aim at inspiring leaders like you to turn your intention into action.